Hey Maya, my name is Ellsworth, and I saw your question and decided to respond. I loved teaching algebra. I taught algebra for many years in high schools, and I definitely liked problems like this one. So anyway, here we go. Here's your problem. 2 more than the quotient of a number at 8 is equal to 4. Use the variable C for the unknown number. These questions always come down to translating the statement that's given into an algebraic equation. And I showed you right down here how to do that. 2 more. More means addition. What are you adding? 2. So you're adding 2 to something. Well, what's the something? The something is the quotient. Quotient means division. So you're dividing something by something else. What are you dividing? Well, 2 things. The top is a number, which is your unknown. We were told to use variable C for the unknown number. So that's going to be C, and the other number is going to be 8. So the quotient of a number at 8 is C divided by 8, and that whole thing is equal to 4. So the whole thing is 2 plus C over 8 equals 4. There's your equation. Now we solve it. I emphasize over and over in algebra. The goal of solving an equation means do whatever you need to do to get the variable by itself on one side of the equation. That means undoing everything else. So our goal is to get this C by itself. Well, the first thing we do is pick off this 2 here. We're adding 2 to this side here. So to undo the adding, we subtract 2. So we subtract 2. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do the other side to keep the equation balanced. So we subtract from both sides, and we're left with C over 8 equals 2. We're getting close. There's only one thing left to do. Get rid of that 8. So what are we doing? We're dividing by 8. So what's the opposite of dividing? We multiply by 8. So you multiply this side by 8. So guess what? Multiply the other side by 8 as well. So you do that. C is left by itself. And 2 times 8 is 16. So our result is C is 16. How do we know it's right? Well, I'm a big fan of checking. And I strongly urge all students to do it as well. So take your number in, put back the original equation, see if it works. There's our equation. Put in 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2. As we all learned in elementary school, 2 plus 2 is 4. So there it is. It works. We're in good shape. Hope I help you out. Good luck with your math.